Let's assume you no longer remember the PIN and the password of your Huawei Mate 40, Mate 40 Pro or any of the Huawei smartphone. Your fingerprint is not working and somehow you are logged out of your smartphone. So how to get rid of this situation and gain the access back to your device? Let me show you. This is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove any kind of security from your Huawei Mate 40 Pro or any of the Huawei smartphone if you no longer remember the PIN, password and somehow you are locked out of your smartphone. So here is my Mate 40 Pro. Let's assume that I no longer remember the PIN of this device and I'm logged at this lock screen. I cannot go in. So to remove any kind of security from your smartphone, you need to perform a hard reset. Usually we do this from the setting, but since we are logged out of the smartphone, we can't go to the setting. The method is a bit different. We need to do this from the recovery menu. So first of all, just switch off your device. After that, you have to press the power key and volume up key together. Press and hold for a while like this. Once the Huawei logo appears, you can move your finger from the power key, but keep pressing the volume up. And here we go. So now we are inside the recovery menu of Emotion UI. So you can see that we got few options at the bottom. So one of them is clear data. So we have to use the volume keys to navigate between the options. So I'm going to the clear data here. After that, I need to press the power key to select it. So on the next screen, it will show that we got two options, factory reset and wipe cache partition. So we have to perform the factory reset. So use the volume keys to go to the factory reset. Now press the power key once to select it. And then on the next screen, it will ask you to type yes as a consent that you are going to perform factory reset, because whatever content you got in the phone, it will be deleted after this step. So everything from the internal storage, your multimedia files, applications, etc. will be gone. So just type yes, and after that tap on factory reset, and you can see that the factory reset process is started on my Huawei Mate 40 Pro, and the reset is successful. So now we have to restart the device. So you can even tap on these options actually. Just tap on back here. After that, tap on restart. Now the device will restart, and once the rebooting process is finished, we will start fresh. So whatever we did in the very beginning, we need to do once again, like selecting the time zone, language, keyboard, etc. Because everything will be wiped out after this process. So here we go. So as you can see that we're starting fresh with this device now. So I'm going to go through the settings, and then we will see whether we got the access back to our device or not. And here we go. So as you can see that the pin that we had on this device, the security is gone. But the drawback is like everything else is gone as well. We are starting totally fresh. Whatever I had in my gallery and everything is deleted. But the good part is that we got the access back to my Huawei Mate 40 Pro here. So this is how you can remove any kind of security from your device if you no longer remember the PIN, password and you are logged out of it. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.